Lauren's first fireworks.
I saw a butterfly out of the
And you could see her, but not very well because it's dark. She's just hanging on to the side of the cushion on the boat. We're on the Hull's boat. Come on, Grandpa Hull.
She doesn't like it.
Come on.
Woohoo! The birds are scared. Lauren! Lauren!
It's like in 3D. It's like in 3D. Awesome.
Well, obviously she's not going to get, or apparently she's not going to be scared. Woo! She's digging it.
It's having a heart attack.
The baby duck.
Did you hear this duck, Mom?
Yeah.
It's the baby chick.
Lauren's doing the little wiggle. Do the wiggle. Are you enjoying this, Lauren? Happy 4th of July, baby.
She's right up here. She's up here.
That's pretty.
It's very pretty.
I like the noise. They're there.
Me too. Hi, Lauren. Hey, baby. Poor duck. Oh, I'm sorry.
Daddy, she's
Oh, Sierra. Happy 4th of July. Happy Independence Day. Let freedom ring. Oh, a little squeak from Lauren. Woo, how pretty.
British are coming!
Quack, quack, quack. Little Lauren, I love you, baby. I love you. I'm glad you're enjoying this. I love you. Happy 4th of July, 2013.
Happy 4th of July!
Happy 4th of July, world.
Happy birthday, America!
I should say America. The whole world should be celebrating it.
Daddy, she's coming back there to you.
Okay, bye-bye.